Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys ChatGPT's phone verification problem. So whenever you try to verify your phone number, it says too many attempts. So in that case, follow the steps which I will show you guys to fix a problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on. So ChatGPT has an anti-scam system. So if you try to verify your phone number multiple times within an hour or within a certain amount of period, let's say you try to do this 5 times within like the first hour, ChatGPT will think your account is going to be hacked and it's going to stop the verification process. In that case, you can just wait for 5 hours or at the most 24 hours and try the next day. It will work. And if you don't want to wait for the next day or even after waiting a day it didn't work, what you can do is use a VPN. So I will suggest you to use this VPN called Windscribe. It's for PC. For mobile, you can easily find a free VPN on Google Play Store or App Store. You can use any VPN. Just connect to a random country. It doesn't matter, alright? I live in Nepal, so I can connect to any country rather than Nepal and try to do this verification. It should work. If it still doesn't work for you even after you use a VPN, the next thing is you want to search for contact ChatGPT support. Once you search for it, first option over here, click on it and it'll take you to the support page. Once you're over here, just click on this icon at the bottom and then choose messages, and from over here choose send us a message, and over here choose other. Once you do that, wait for some time until ChatGPT staff replies to you. Once you get this reply, you can write your problem. You can write, I tried to verify my mobile number. It says too many verification attempts. Can you help me fix this problem? Then ChatGPT staff will talk with you and help you fix a problem, and they will fix it. So that's how we guys can fix this issue. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe and bye bye.